Good morning, everyone. My name is Audrey Elise de Villanueva. I'm from Holy Child Jesus Montessori, and I'm from grade 4 Sympathy. Today, I'll be teaching you on how to add 3 fractions. Let's have a recap. What are fractions? Fractions are parts of a whole. A fraction has 2 parts, a numerator and the denominator. The numerator is at the top and the denominator is at the bottom. The numerator tells how many parts you have, and the denominator is how many equal parts to make up a whole. When adding fractions with common denominators, we add numerators. For example, all of the fractions here have the same denominator, so we'll focus on the numerators. 2 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 7, and we'll retain the denominator 8. So the answer is 7 over 8. In this example, where the answer is not in its simplest form, we must simplify it. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 2/8 is equal to 4/8. Our working out would look like this. Both 4 and 8 are divisible by 4, so we will divide both by 4 to simplify. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So the answer is 1/2. Here's what we do when our denominators are dissimilar. We can create equivalent fractions. We must find the lowest common denominator, or LCD, for our denominators. In this fraction, we will add 1/4 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. The lowest common denominator, or LCD, for 3 and 4 is 12. To convert the fractions from dissimilar to similar using LCD method, we will multiply 1/3 by 4 and 1/4 by 3. For example, 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. 3 multiplied to 4 is equal to 12. So the answer is 4 over 12. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, resulting in 3/12. This is the original problem with the similar fractions. The denominators are dissimilar, 4, 3, and 4. Now, we can add our fractions. After using the LCD conversion into similar fractions, 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12 plus 3 over 12. Like I told you earlier, we should only focus on the numerators. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 10. Let's retain the number 12 so it can be our denominator. The answer will be 10 over 12. Since the answer is not in its simplest form, we can round it up like this. 10 and 12 are divisible by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So 5/6 is our simplest form. Remember, when the denominators are the same, we add the numerators only. If the denominators are not the same, we can use equivalent fractions. Goodbye, everyone, and thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today.